DeSaad, DeSaad, I call to thee.
SteppenWolf, have you begun the conquest?
This world is divided. They are a primitive species, unevolved and at war with one another, too separate to be one. Their free will must be ripped from them, like the other worlds, given absolution in one glorious belief, to serve him.
The mother boxes.
I have found one of the three, the one that woke and called to me. The other two still sleep, but the parademons feel their presence. They fly, they search, they take prisoners who carry the scent, while I build a stronghold in the name of his glory.
Yes. Mighty SteppenWolf, who might have sat here by the side of the Great One, but undone by his self-pride.
DeSaad, I fall before you. Let me make a plea to him that I may come home after I take this world in his name.
You betrayed him. Your own family.
I saw my mistake. I slaughtered those who sought his throne.
You still owe the Great One 50,000 more worlds. He will hear your plea when you pay your debt.
The mother boxes will be found and united. No protectors here. No lanterns. No Kryptonium. This world will fall, like all the others.
For DeSaad.